The next experiment we are going to do is regarding light. So what is light? Light is an electromagnetic radiation that helps us to see things by stimulating the sense of sight. Now, this light which we see is also called visible light. And you already know light travels in a straight line, and you know that light doesn't need a medium to travel. So, light can travel even in vacuum. Now, in this experiment, we are going to learn about one particular property of light. It is called refraction. What is refraction? The simple definition is refraction is the bending of light. Bending of light when it passes from one medium to another. For example, if you pass light only through one medium, only through the air medium, it will travel in the straight line. However, if you place another medium inside, for example, if you are placing a glass slab in between, so now the medium is changed. So when there is a change in the medium, there is a change in the density. So because of this, the light will bend. So that is what we are going to see in these experiments. So shall we begin? For this experiment, you will need a glass. Try taking a bigger glass so you will be able to see what's happening. Then here I am using an egg, and after seeing the experiment you will know that you can use any objects. So an egg. I am also using a lemon and a pencil. You will also need some water. So what I am going to do now is I am going to fill the glass with water. Do not fill it fully, only half the glass. I asked you to fill half the glass. This is because you need to show the difference in the medium. So up to this level, it is the water medium, and above that is the air medium. Now you know that when light passes from one medium to another, it bends. So first I am placing the egg inside. So did you see what happens? You saw the size of the egg. When placed inside the water, it appears big because light gets reflected from the egg and travels back to our eyes. And when it travels, it first has to cross the water medium, and after that it has to cross the air medium. So when it crosses from one medium to another, there is a bending of the light rays, causing it to appear bigger in size. So now you can see the difference. Next, I am going to take out the egg and place our next item inside, the lemon. So you can see the size of the lemon. Now we can see it in this size because there is only air medium, there is no other medium. Now when I place it in water, can you see it looks big? You need to look at it from the side. It looks big. Why does this happen? I'm sure now you yourself can explain. This is because light gets reflected from the surface of the object, and it has to travel through two medium. It has to travel through water and then through air to reach our eyes. So the light rays bend, causing it to appear bigger. Next, I am going to place the third object. So I am removing the line and I am placing a pencil inside. So now, after placing the pencil, look at it from the side. Now, when you observe from the side of the glass, what do you see? It appears as if the pencil is bent or broken. Why is this happening? This is because the speed of light depends on the density of the medium. Hence, when light travels from a medium of low density, that is air, to a medium of high density, that is water. So when light travels from one medium to another, it appears to bend. Now this refraction won't occur when you hold the pencil straight and observe from the top of the glass. This is because the light rays enter the water perpendicularly. But when the pencil leans against the glass, you can observe it. This is because light rays enter the water obliquely and refraction takes place. So I hope you understood the concept of refraction of light.